People always think we're attacking NASA,
Now, whoever goes the longest without puking gets the last piece of pie in the fridge.
and we're actually NASA enthusiasts when it comes right down to it, right?
How's everybody doing? Good so far. All right.
Nothing yet.
Cool.
We're space enthusiasts.
Ooh.
We want accountability. We want disclosure. We want to see what's actually there.
Oh God! Why didn't anybody tell me?
And we will accept the limitations.
God, my insides are on fire!
And we'll support the limitations
No, please, no more.
on what's capable of doing.
Dad, I'm scared.
We don't need to keep researching in and
Okay. I think it's all gone.
find out, oh, all we're looking at is CGI. If you can't do it, say so.